So we got to take off for a couple of days and go on our big family vacation. We stopped off in Oklahoma City for the night to do a few things. Curry and Braden and us and little Miss Greenlee had a great time playing miniature golf down in Bricktown. You guys, I had no idea this whole little section existed. I've always heard people talk about it, but we got to go and experience it, and it was a lot of fun. We ate at some really fun places, and then we made our way on down the road, and we stopped off at Arbuckle Wilderness Park because I absolutely love drive-through safaris, and I wanted Greenlee to experience this, even though she could really care less about what was going on. But it was a lot of fun. These little miniature donkeys stole my heart. This is what I've decided I want to bring back and have on the farm. Mike wasn't so thrilled with the idea, but they were super cute, and we got to see and feed a lot of fun animals. Look at that. Look at the dog.
That is crazy.
Oh, snap. Oh, that's so cool. As you can tell, that was pretty exciting, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think the others did as well. We finally arrived at our final destination in Denton, Texas, and we went out and had a great dinner with the family, and the house we stayed at was super great. It had a pool. It was a VRBO home that we found. It was super cozy. We literally felt like we were just staying at one of our own family members' house. It was just a great layout. There were 14 of us, I believe, including the babies, that stayed at the house, and we had a few that stayed at a hotel. We did our vacation a little bit different this year. Normally, we rent a big, huge honking house that houses all 36, 38 of us. I can't even remember how many there are now, but so many weren't able to make it this year, so we just did things a little different. We also went to the Fort Worth Zoo, and here's where we took our big family photo. These are the t-shirts I was making a few weeks ago. They were a lot of fun, but the Fort Worth Zoo, I remember going there as a kid, and apparently we took our own kids there. Sadly, I don't really remember that, but I wasn't as impressed with it as our Tulsa Zoo. Love, love, love the Tulsa Zoo. This one was just a different layout. It was great, it was fun, but I've definitely been to better zoos. And our vacation was very short and sweet, just a weekend trip, basically. So we came home from vacation, and we got out and mowed this morning, and then I'm out looking at my pumpkin vine. Look at this. Seems to be the only one that I can find. Although, oh no, there's the start of another little one. There were several, but I don't know what's happened to them. Hey, all right, so today I am in my studio, and this is as good as it's gonna get for you today. Just a little teaser to show you what we're doing in my studio, and next week I'll release a studio update video to show you all the fun things that took place in here. All right, and while I've been working and doing things in my studio, Mike and Braden are putting temporary stairs on the front of their house.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the screw we've been looking for. That's the last one. That's it. Woo. There we go. A fast, this is our temporary $150 beautiful set of steps that we put together. What do you think, Bray?
Give it a try.
Yeah, let's see you work on it.
Very nice. A little temporary stairway. No more janky painter's bench. I think that's perfect. Okay, so if you'll remember, I think it was 2 weeks ago, Mike and I removed a lot of these metal fence pipes. They're cemented in the ground, and so we've been using the tractor to pull them up. Well, we've been wanting to get rid of these, but it's a little strenuous on the tractor to remove something so big. So Colby is cutting the crossbars out for us, and then we'll just be able to put our chain around and lift these bigger ones straight up out the ground like we did all those others that we did a couple of weeks ago. So we were super grateful for his help here today cutting all these out. And if you happen to need any welding or work done like this, definitely give Colby a holler. Obviously, you have to be local to do that, but he is an amazing welder and does fabulous work. And so, shameless plug for Colby and his welding skills. So, drop a comment, holler at him, let us know if you want to reach out to him, and we will get you in touch with him and get you some work done. Get you a fence built, gates, whatever you need, he can most likely tackle it. Okay, so we just got a Costco membership last week, and this is our second time, I guess, shopping here. And we're about to go in and see all the good things we can find, but we want you to tell us your favorite Costco finds.
If you're a Costco member, of course.
Yeah, I mean, we have a Sam's membership, but we hear this is the best. So we're gonna go try it out and just let us know what you love to eat here, get here, whatever. Put them in the comments below. We made our Costco run, and I just want to tell you about all the yummy fun things we got. Dark chocolate covered blueberries. Those are for me. Mike got regular old blueberries. Those are so healthy. We also got dried mangoes. I mean, we're trying new things, okay? We got, they have these breaded chicken tenders and chicken nuggets. They're very close to Chick-fil-A. They are the Barely brand, like organic-y type stuff. They're super great. We've had them before, and we really love them. We also got some tempura shrimp. We got regular shrimp. We got some cleaning supplies like Mrs. Meyer's brand stuff. I've always wanted to try that. Curry uses it and it smells really good. And so I branched out and grabbed some of those things. Paper plates. Goodness, I'm just trying to think of things that we got. Oh, like cashew nuts. I don't know. I should just take you in and show you my pantry now. But anyways, again, if you have favorite items that you absolutely love from Costco, we want to know, because we're trying to come up with like a meal plan for our family on Sundays. We all love to eat together as a big family, but it gets so stinking expensive to go out to eat. So we would like to come up with some ideas rather than just crock pot roast every Sunday. We kind of get bored and tired of that. So drop some ideas for us. Again, your favorite Costco finds. Hey there.
Hey.
All right, it's a little bit windy out, so bear with us. Hopefully you can hear us pretty well. It's hot, and he is in long sleeves. He is crazy.
Well, Jan will tell you about where we're going immediately, but we're going to go up to the church, and the church building up there is freezing.
Yeah, that's true.
And so I am prepared for the cold.
All right, so this is kind of fun. It's kind of interesting, but I had someone reach out to me on Instagram, and I am awful with Instagram. I don't check my messages that often, but I happened to check my messages, and there was a viewer that is local here in the Tulsa area, and she is in need of an expert to install her cabinet and drawer pulls. So she reached out to me and would like for us to come over and look at their cabinets and all that jazz. So we're actually heading there here in about 15 minutes and gonna go see if we can help them. They started on it apparently and jumped ship really quickly. So we're gonna go do that and then go to CR. But This week was short for us work-wise because of family vacation.
Well, that and it's just ridiculously hot outside, and most of the jobs that we have to do are outside. So Colby got some things done, Braden and I got some things done, and I could have recorded a lot more footage, but you know, putting me in charge of recording footage is not a good thing because I forget. And so
You're doing better. He's doing better.
Karen has done a great job always putting these things together for you guys to watch and see. And so if you guys ever have any questions about, you know, anything that we do, certainly ask. And you know, my thing that we talked about with Costco, I know Karen said, you know, we're not going to talk about that too much, but you know, it was new to us, and new things and new food items and things like that. So yeah, that was kind of an exciting part of the week.
We spent like 3 hours almost in there, going up and down every single aisle, looking at everything.
There's a lot of things there, so it's pretty neat.
Yeah,
so,
we bought way too much.
Shop,
yeah,
so we didn't really shop. We just took notes.
True. Also, I showed you a teeny tiny sneak preview of studio progress. I'm going to release a video next week.
Looks great.
Next week, and have all the things that we've done in there. We've knocked out some big projects in there. So it's just been a short but yet productive week here, knowing what all we got done.
And next week's video may be a little short too, because this one's heading off to Texas. I'm staying here.
That's next
and so she has to put that all together before she takes off and leaves to go see family and friends, and it just isn't convenient for me to get to go this time. But anyhow, we appreciate you guys and constant support and the beautiful comments and the nice things that you guys say, and it's just nice to know that there are so many great people in the world that we have never met, but we hope to meet one of these days.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment with your Costco faves, and ring the notification bell if you haven't done so yet. And thanks so much for watching.
That's right. God bless.
If you're a longtime viewer, you may remember back in week 11 whenever my sweet little niece Carly June was shouting, "Flipping the farm." Well, here she is now, a whole year older, and showing off her matching t-shirt with her mommy and shouting, "Flipping the farm!" And obviously still just as cute as ever. If this is your first time here, we'd love for you to click on the playlist that you see here on the screen and get caught up. Thanks again for watching.